The allure of Bora Bora's azure waters and white sand beaches beckons travelers from around the globe. But the journey to this tropical paradise isn't always straightforward. Let's dive into the essentials of securing affordable plane tickets and making the most of your Bora Bora adventure. Scoring a deal on Bora Bora plane tickets requires strategy. Start by booking early to catch the best offers. Flexibility is your friend. Traveling during off-peak seasons like April to June or September to November can lead to significant savings. Don't overlook package deals from travel agencies, which often bundle flights, accommodations, and activities at a lower cost than booking separately. Preparing for your flight is key. From the United States, expect a journey of 10 to 14 hours, typically with layovers. Pack a carry-on with essentials to stay comfortable and entertained. Upon landing, you might need a ferry or boat transfer to reach the island. Check if this is included with your ticket, or if a private boat transfer is an option for a touch of luxury. Once you arrive, Bora Bora's enchantment unfolds. From snorkeling with sharks and rays to ATV tours, the island offers a plethora of activities. For a serene experience, indulge in a spa treatment using traditional Polynesian ingredients or immerse yourself in the local culture through guided tours. Accommodations in Bora Bora cater to a range of preferences. Luxury resorts provide an all-inclusive experience with private beaches and on-site activities. Vacation rentals offer more space, ideal for families or groups. For a unique stay, consider an overwater bungalow, offering unparalleled ocean views. To ensure a memorable Bora Bora trip, plan ahead. Book travel and accommodations early, pack for the tropics, and leave room for spontaneity. Embrace the island's tranquility and savor every moment of your once-in-a-lifetime getaway. With careful planning and a spirit of adventure, your Bora Bora journey will be nothing short of extraordinary. Book with a French Polynesia at Far and Away Adventure.